I'm part of a first robotics competition design team. I'm part of Eagle Robotics out of Oakridge. And one of the Discord servers that I'm on got asked by another team out of Atherton, California, to assist in both designing and producing sensory toys for schools stricken by the California wildfires.
So we had to sit down and really hash it out, and it was surprising because this was not on my radar at all. This was not a me thing. I didn't coordinate any of this. He came to me with the whole project. I was asking, and he laid it out very, very good. Said this is the purpose, something that we really want to try to help out with, right? We've heard about the devastation in California, and this is really, it's a small project, but I mean, it might have a huge impact. And it's what we can do here, right, to help them out.
And I designed about four of the toys. There are a total of 36 files, 36 different toys at the moment, all of which have been designed by members of the community from all across the United States.
I'm really hands off. It's all been student led, and it really proves that this is a kind of student leadership opportunities and student leadership projects that these kids can do here at the Career Tech Center. You know, so it's been really cool to see them do it all by themselves and lead themselves and kind of do it on their own. You know, take the proactiveness and just run with it. So it was really good.
Very prideful. It's very amazing to know that from all the way up north, we're helping someone all the way across the other side of the country.
I hope they take out some independence, right? I hope they get it, learn a little bit of independence, learn how to work in the career field, also learn maybe empathy, right? That they're doing good in the world, right? And they take it away and they take it as a memory into their future, going, man, I remember when we helped out the wildfires in California, and it worked out. It was a really good feeling to them, and then they seek more of that good feeling, right, to help out other people.
Printing in mass is something we haven't actually done in this room before. And it came with a lot of issues. A couple of our first prints failed spectacularly, but now we got it going pretty quick.
That's what this classroom is all about. It makes me feel so good, right? This classroom is all about helping other people, whether they're in the local area or they're doing something that's devastating across the country, right? It really made me feel good. It made me feel good that they're learning and they're knowledgeable on not just a local level, but on a national level, right? That they can go, hey, there's something happening here, and I have the tools and equipment and knowledge and skills to help out, and I'm going to try to help out.
I'm excited to see a couple more collaborations across the entire United States.